video of how I cut the chicken breast, but then I'm like, maybe someone wants to see it, so I've decided to do it. So I just take the chicken breast, lay it flat, use my hand to press it down on the board, and then I slice it. So this is how you cut it to get it thin. So I'm just gonna do, I'm gonna fry these for my daughter. This is the chicken breast. We're making some chicken strips. So to this, I'm gonna add some mustard. One thing I can't do without is my garlic powder. So I'm gonna add a little garlic powder to this. I'm also gonna add some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. You can use the all-purpose of your choice. It doesn't have to be Maggi. Then I'm gonna go in with my Goya seasoning. I'm gonna use half and I'm gonna leave the other half for the flour. I'm also gonna use a little Maggi chicken seasoning. I don't like use a bottle here and make the seasoning have to come out. Alright, so that's good enough. So I'm also gonna use an egg. So let me go ahead and put on a gloves and then combine the ingredients. So after, I'm going to season the flour with the same exact seasoning that I add to the chicken. And then we fry. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this to marinate. I'm gonna cover it and let it marinate. To a Dutch pan, I'm gonna add some vegetable oil. While the oil is heating, I'm gonna come over here. Boom. So I'm gonna add some all-purpose flour. To that, I'm gonna add a little paprika. I don't think I had any paprika on the chicken, but we need like a color right here. I'm gonna add some all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna add the other half of our Goya Szechuan and some garlic powder. So we're gonna combine. So we're gonna mix this up just to get the liquid, the egg. So we're just gonna coat the pieces of chicken in the egg again so that the flour sticks to it. And then we're gonna coat the chicken with the flour. Shake off the excess, set them aside. So we're gonna go in with each pieces, right? Coat them with the flour. Shake off the excess and set them aside. So I'm gonna do this with all the pieces. Once the oil hot, we're gonna fry. He's not going to take more than 5 minutes. I'm just going in and turn them. If you're deep frying, you wouldn't have to turn them. But because this is more like a shallow fry, we're turning. Let's remove these from the pot. So this is the last set. So I'm placing them on a wire rack. I'm going to show you in a minute, just to let it drain. Okay, so let me show you where. So this is what I'm working with. I'm just gonna have these drain.